It is Wednesday morning, June 30th. I believe it's about, I think it's 6:30 in the morning. I want to show my David Austin rose, the Crown Princess Margareta. Its first bloom. Isn't that pretty? Here's my hand. It's not that big because it's its first year. But the smell, it's a nice tea rose smell. I planted this, or potted it, in a container the same time as the Gertrude Jekyll. This one did so much better in blooms, but for some reason this only started to bloom and bud out with the heat. But its height is so much taller than the Gertrude Jekyll. It has only just a few buds starting to form. Like this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look how tiny the buds are. But the actual bud and bloom is so pretty, so beautiful. I love it. So in love with this rose. The color. I've seen this rose in other people's videos, but just seeing it, in person, it's just beautiful. This color is like a soft peach, and the inside is a little bit more pinky peach. It's just a beautiful, like, cream peachy color. It's so pretty. I love this rose. I can't wait till it grows in the next year or two. Well, I'll be training it to go horizontally. I don't know what I'm going to put it on yet to train it on either on the fence or on like a trellis, a metal trellis. Okay, thanks for watching. My beautiful Crown Princess Margareta. This is my first time with David Austin roses. I'll show you the tag in case I pronounced it wrong. Crown Princess Margareta. Have a good day.